Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day today. Today we're doing a product review. What I have here is some Meguairs hybrid ceramic wax. We'll be trying this out. Picked this up at Walmart for I think about $15. And just got some new microfiber cloths and some pads. So we'll be doing this on the Integra because it has the best paint. And then if it works great, after I paint the project over here, we'll do it on that too. One last thing. Got 2 weeks from when this video posts to get in on this giveaway. My last video kind of tells you what you need to do. There we go. Look at that. D&D quick release. You can use this for any car with a aftermarket wheel and hub. So I'll leave the link for that video, the giveaway video, right up here in the corner. But first off, I need to get some coffee because my coffee maker broke. So let's go get coffee, rinse off the Integra, and then bring it into the garage. Back home, got the Integra in the garage. I pulled it in here, opened up the hood, just to help cool off the hood and cool off the car. It's been about 2 hours now. So my plan is I picked up some painter's tape. I'm going to tape off one half of the hood. We'll put the ceramic wax on one side and kind of see how it works. So let's get the hood down, tape on, and start waxing. Simple to do, just small circles, go over it a few times. With this wax, it doesn't leave a haze really when it's done curing. So we'll wait a few more minutes, it's just about 3 or 5, wipe it off with a microfiber, then we'll pull it out, throw some water on it and see how it reacts. Just got done putting a second coat on. I went a little bit heavier that time. First reaction so far with this wax is when I drag my hand across it and then across the surface I haven't done, I don't really feel any of a difference. Usually it's a lot smoother from like axle wax I've used, but the reason I got the ceramic wax is to help beat up the water, so when I just spray it off with a hose, it helps grab the dirt and kind of clean it off and just beat the water off. So I'm going to pull it out in the driveway, we'll get the hose and spray the hood and see what happens. So I got the Integra pulled up here, went to get a thumbnail, went to set this right here. Look at that. And then go over here, nothing. Okay guys, check this out. Why it's so hard. Look at those beads run off. And over here, nothing. Well, to end my review, guys, I give this solid 10 out of 10. For the price, this Meguiar ceramic wax does a great job. I mean, you can see that. Look at the, you can see it a lot better here in the garage. So with it beating up like that, it's going to work great for my daily drive. Drive it a lot. Also, I work at a mill, so it's really dusty. So be able to just hose it off and actually have the dirt come off with the water is a plus. Let me know what kind of waxes you use down in the comments below. Let me know if you've used this before, if you have any questions. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, peace out. The whole $15, the whole 1.5. You know, save up your allowance. Buy yourself this. You don't like it? You don't like it? Whoa, whoa. Ooh. Okay. We had a misfire.